Southern Alabama with the guitars jamming, that's where we're headed. Straight up to Butte in Montana, singing, Lord, I was born a rambling man. California to Oregon, even New York City got one or two hillbillies ready to hit the road. It's a brother and a sister kind of thing. Raise up your hands if you all wanna hang with me and my gang. We live to ride, we ride to live. Me and my gang, jump on that train, grab hold of them reins. We gonna rock this thing, cock this thing. Me and my gang. Daisy Duke denim, banging on gongs and singing our songs. Dude named Bill Rod jamming on an iPod. Beer and bonfires, wide open throttle, course in a bottle. It's all for one and one for all, y'all. It's a brother and a sister kind of thing. Raise up your hands if you all wanna hang with me and my gang. We live to ride, we ride to live. Train, grab hold of them reins. We're gonna rock this thing, cock this thing. Me and my gang. Yeah.
Back to their headquarters safely. A 49-year-old unidentified man went berserk last night over.
He sweat through his talcums. Newspaper man, where you walk like a falcon. Hey, Daddy-o, oh, sorry, Mr. President, look, where you been, man? It's a little English, to Dr. Bushpin. Hey, what time is it? 4:30. It's not late, no, just early, early, early. My bread and butter ain't got no other. It's on the TV, it spins on
All right, lines in, gentlemen. Good luck.
It's been a whole lot easier since you've been left town. It's been a whole lot happier without a face around.
Bill, let's get on it.
shotgun while you're dosing
White
low.
marlin. Don't get him in with us. A little sail, isn't it? Little baby sail.
I've been a whole lot easier since the bitch is gone.
All right, fellas, it's gonna be a sailfish for the outer limits.
Little miss, can't be wrong. Ain't nobody gonna bow no more when you sound you gone. Little miss, can't be wrong. What you gonna do to get into another one of these rock and roll songs?
Hey, that might have been an $80 scrub brush. That was a $130,000 hat. Oh, they done took my baby. She's gone with them.
So bad as if they turn around. You cook so well, all nice and French. You do your brain surgery too, mama. With your monkey.
Get Mike, he's got it down.
Little miss, can't be wrong. Ain't nobody gonna bow no more when you sound you gone. Little miss, can't be wrong. What you gonna do to get into another one of these rock and roll songs?
Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back, baby. Come on back. Okay, he's on the other teaser, Jeff. Mike B, get that little bait out of there, buddy. All right, we got him. Still got him. Don't touch the rod. All right, get the shit in.
All right, he's up. He's up.
Crank.
Crank it out. Crank it out.
Mike B, crank, baby.
I'm gonna come around you. But I'm not gonna touch you. Okay? Coming down low. Done this before, you and I together. Okay?
Hey, Michael Hewlett.
Yes, sir.
That teaser's okay, where it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fellas. Hey, Mike, move that 80 wide to the holder on the bridge wing. The fish is staying shallow. I think he's gonna give us a shot pretty quick.
What you gonna do to get into another one of these rock and roll songs?
Come on, baby, turn. He's gone. He's gone. Good try, guys. Hey, stop a second. Let me see that reel. Yeah, let me see his reel. Let me see the reel. All right, get him on in. He's gone. JJ, that was no good. Yep, time's up. Yep. Good effort today. A little more luck. We'd have a strong second today. Got another day.